What's going on, guys? Hadley Basson here. Today we're going to be unboxing the MTB ice fishing kit. So right off the bat, it says about 5 to 6 items, around $25 value. That's how much the box was listed at. I bought it for $25, and it's box 93. I have no idea how many boxes there are. We're going to see, is this worth it or not? So right off the bat, this looks like a standard MTB, the plain cardboard box. We'll see what's inside. So right off the bat, we get the list of what's inside. It doesn't give us the price this time, not sure why, but we get the EuroTackle Co. Lighted Firefly Gold. I have no idea what any of these are, so we're just gonna have to see. We get the Roadside Minnows Baby Guppy, Vexan Crystal Reaper, EuroTackle Leech, and the Widowmaker Lures Tungsten Low Series Dropper. We'll see what it is and see if it's worth it. We get a sticker right out the bat. I like this one, Halloween theme. We get a guide for tips and tricks. I'll take a look at this one at the end. First item out of the box, we get the Vexan Crystal Reaper. I have no idea what exactly this is supposed to be. Probably some sort of jig. Seems like a horizontal jig. You hook it right there. There's 2 hooks on the side, treble hook on the bottom. Seems like an interesting bait. Take a look at this. So this is also glow in the dark. So yeah, you would tie your bait on the top, and you get your treble hook on the bottom. Looks like there's some sort of paintball here. Not sure what it's supposed to be. Oh, and it's got a little reflective on the end. It's pretty neat. We also have these little plastic things right here, probably to add more reflection as well. And we got 3 hooks to hook the fish on all sides. So next we get the EuroTackle Micro Finesse. It seems like a pink fluorescent leech, 0.75 inch, and they're also scented. You get 10 in this. This looks like a neat little bait, just on the end of a small jig. Probably get some nice perch and bluegill on this one. Next, we got a little plastic again. It's called the Roadside Minnow, and this kind of looks like a little squid, if I'm being honest. Again, very small, probably 1 inch long, but I think this would be cool. Try out. Next, we got the lighted Firefly. So this one looks cool. So it says the light glows red. So they might have different variations of it. It's got the reflective eye. It's got a water-activated LED light. That's not something I've seen before. This looks cool. Definitely going to have to try this one out. It also says here what they are preferring to bite. So walleye, bass, pike, trout, salmon, perch, crappie, and sunfish. That seems about right. And how you can jig it, dead stick it, and apparently it's great on tip-ups and rattle reels, which I'm pretty surprised about. It's a stationary bait. So here we have it out of the box. Very strange looking bait, and I'm actually going to try this. I'm going to put it in my sink and see how it glows. This is what I was looking for. We get the Tungsten Widowmaker Lures. Looks like a little jig. It's a pink polka dot one, which is pretty interesting. And this would probably put one of these on. Probably those on the end. That would be a perfect match. And yeah, good jig for ice fishing. So here's all the lures side to side. I really like this Firefly one. It was cool how they made it light up in the water. Never seen a lure like that before. But overall, I am kind of like medium impressed, medium not impressed. Like, I expected a little more value out of this for $25. But anyways, there's some cool baits in here that I'd like to try out, and we'll get for that for ice fishing. Finally, we got the book. It comes with a little story here, some tips. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment any ideas you would like to see in the next video.